So in this video we'll try to learn that how we can uh, get the trend about any keyword. Suppose you are trying to sell any product on an e-commerce store, or suppose you are aiming for opening up a drop shipping store, but you are not confirmed about the trend or the availability or the demand, exactly the demand of the product, like how much people are searching for that particular product on Google. If you are not sure, then you can take some idea from Google Trends tool. So this is basically a free tool provided by Google. So you can simply go to this particular tool and let me show you how you can use this. So this is a basic tool, and now if you want to search the trend for any particular query, then what you need to do is you can write the query. For example, I want to see the search trend for French cuff shirt. Then let me see what results I get. French cuff shirt. Okay, this is my search term. Okay, so now what are the different things that you can do here? Firstly, if you want to check in a particular country or in a particular region, you can select it. You can even select worldwide option, that what was the search trend for this particular keyword. Then you can manipulate or modify this particular range of years, like range of duration. So I'm selecting 2004 to present. So this will give me a broad overview of the search trend for this keyword. Categories, if you want, you can select it accordingly. If you don't want, you can leave it as such also. Okay, and what do you want to see? Like, you want to see the image search, how many times people have used this keyword for images, how many times people have used this keyword for the news search, Google Shopping, YouTube search. So my concern is Google Shopping here, so I'll try Google Shopping, and I'll try to see that how many times people have used this particular keyword for the Google Shopping. So here we can see that what data you can extract from here is that, like, in the Google Shopping platform, on an average in United States, these many searches were there, and gradually we can see that the number of searches in Google Shopping have reduced. Okay, so this gives us a certain idea about this, and along with that we can also see here that which are those particular regions which have got higher demands, like which have got the higher search interest in this particular term. Then the next thing is it also shows you the related topics, like the tuxedo, French spoken, or something like that. Now one thing to note here is that the more this particular term should not be too specific. It should be kind of you can say more broad if you want to see the results. So suppose if I remove the shirt here, okay, and let me see like what trend I get after removing the shirt. Okay, so the trend is almost similar for the French cuff also. Now suppose I want to see the trend for men's shirt. Okay, so, or what we can say, dress shirt. Okay, so this is the search term that I want to compare with the French cuff, how many times people are searching for it. So you can see here that as compared to French cuff, the demand for dress shirt has increased a lot, and even today a lot more people are searching for the dress shirt as compared to the French cuff shirt. So this gives me a very clear idea that, okay, people, I mean, there is a high market, there is a high demand for the dress shirt as compared to French cuff shirt. So I can invest more money while promoting the dress shirt as compared to French cuff, because in Google Shopping I can see that naturally there are high number of searches since last so many years, since last I think 14-15 years. So we get a good idea. And along with this, if you want, you can add more term, like if I want, I can include cufflink here, and this will give me further idea, okay, regarding the cufflink. Okay, the cufflink and French cuff are almost similar, so let me try the polo shirt instead. Polo shirts, okay, and let's try to see what's the demand for polo shirts. Okay, the polo shirts are also in high demand. Now let me try the short sleeve shirt. Okay, so let's see what's the demand for the short sleeve shirt now. Okay, so here you can see that there are 4 products for which we have tried to extract the demand, and we can see here clearly that the demand for French cuff is almost negligible as compared to the other products like the dress shirt, the polo shirt, everything. Okay, so this is how you can, before investing any money into the paid campaigns for Google Shopping or any other campaign, you can get an idea, or even if you are starting a drop shipping store, you can get a well defined idea that on which product should I invest my money, and is there any demand for that product or not. Okay, so I hope that this particular thing is clear to you now, and you will be using this free tool for your advantage. Thank you for watching this.